Since becoming an international and solo traveler, I have realized that sometimes when I take these trips, there is a lot of walking involved, and I suffer from a lot of different inflammation within my body. And for some reason, I just happened to stumble upon a video speaking about earthing and grounding, and it was so interesting to me. And so because of that, I decided that I'm gonna give this a try, because for me, I need to be in better shape when I go on these long journeys, and especially when I'm on a plane for sometimes 10, 12 and longer, hours. That is not really good on my body. And then half of the things that I'm trying to do, it just doesn't work well with me in the way that my body is, working right now. So this video is just really just showing you about something that I had decided to do. And, you can find more information about it if you look up Clint Ober and earthing and grounding, because whatever this thing is that he has designed, this product that he's designed, I want to be a part of that if it is going to help my inflammation and help me to get better, because I really don't have a lot of time to be spending in the gym, and I definitely am not about taking medication. And so I'm always looking for an alternative to help me get better. So hey, stick around, watch the video, and tell me what you think about it at the end. So it is June 23rd, 2023, and I am ordering this product, Earthing Ground Mat, package of 2, and it is scheduled to be delivered today between 2 and 6. So I want to bring y'all along with me as I begin this new journey of earthing, simplifying my life, improving my well-being. So this is day 1 of that. It is June 23rd, 2023. And so I woke up this morning, my back was hurting, and I happened to stumble across yesterday videos about earthing, and I ordered the mats. They are due to come today. I'm glad it's same day, because whenever I'm ready to try something, I usually want to begin right away. So I'm glad I don't have to wait. But yeah, so I'm going to bring y'all along on this journey and let y'all see, if it really helps me, if it really improves my back and inflammation that I have in my body. I have degenerative disc disease. I also have arthritis. And yeah, so I'm going to try to reverse all of that by doing these methods that I get from Clint Ober and his research on earthing, grounding, and things like that. So bring y'all along with me, and let me know what you think about this, and if you've heard of it, and if you tried it yourself. So here it is, 11 o'clock a.m. on the 23rd, and I said that I was going to challenge myself to start walking in the grass. But yeah, I do have some weird reservations about being barefoot in the grass, but I am determined to get over that. So yeah, I have these stones in my backyard as well, so hopefully there's some benefit to being on these as well. I'll probably rather be on these than in the grass, especially because I don't know what that is. Anybody know what that is? Yeah, I don't know, but I don't want to step on it. I'm grateful to have such huge trees in my front yard. So my package arrived, and it is 4:18 p.m. So I'm very happy about that. So let's see what this looks like. This is the packaging that it came in. So let me get it opened. So it's 2 of them. cords, 2 adapters, and the plug tester. And I didn't realize it was going to come with the book. I almost bought this book. I'm so glad that I did not. But I almost bought the book. And then I didn't realize it was going to be with this. So that's perfect. I did already watch the movie, and it was really good. So yeah. So this is the test to see if this is a grounded plug. 2 amber lights. That's good. Plug this into the wall. Okay, I have placed my feet on the mat as it says. Okay, so we will see how this works. It's about 6:35 p.m. Now that I have it all ready to go, I'm going to try to keep my feet on here for maybe about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna rate my back right now at about, if I say from 0 to 10, 10 being worst pain, my back is currently feeling about a 6 because I did do some grounding outside in the grass earlier today, so it's not as bad as it was when I woke up this morning. I currently still have some work to do, so that time will give me a chance to go ahead and complete my work while my feet are here grounding. And yeah, I'm excited to see the progress. Good morning. Yes, I sleep with a CPAP, which is also something that I hope to get rid of after I change this way of living. As you can see, I slept with this on my feet, but I didn't start it there. I started it up here at first, and then I moved it down there. Now I'm finally sitting up, and my back is not hurting as bad, but I still feel something, and I don't have this expectation that it's going to be miraculous, but I can say that I am not in as much pain as I was when I woke up yesterday, not having this thing. So, and having it on my feet seems to have gave me more tingling sensations than having it under my midsection. And I'm not sure what that means, but it just felt better on my feet, this mat. Before I went to sleep, I had it under my calves while I was reading. Then I moved it to my midsection and I went to bed that way. But because this is just a mat, it was a little awkward to have it there, because when I would turn over or something like that, it would I just had to make sure that it stayed in place. So I would probably get a sheet instead. So that way I don't have to worry about moving. But I felt more tingling after I moved it down to my feet. Now, I slept straight through 5 hours, and usually that don't happen with me. I usually get up 2-3 times at night to use the restroom, but I slept solid for 5 straight hours, And I can track that because of my CPAP. And that felt good. It felt good that when I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning after sleeping straight 5 hours, and I did go to bed late this time too because I was reading, and yeah, I don't normally go to bed that late. I normally go to bed about 10 o'clock, but I got too into that book. So yeah, but I slept straight 5 hours. I feel a lot better than I did when I woke up yesterday. And yeah, so that's night 1. All right, I'm up and ready to tackle the day, going outside to put my feet in the grass. Well, this concludes my first look at the earthy mat. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this gives you an idea of what this mat is like. And if you enjoyed it, like the video, share it, leave comments. I would love to hear your perspective. And I will do a review of this mat in about 2-3 weeks, just to give you an update on how I still feel about it. And I'm sitting on it right now as I upload and get ready to upload this actual video. So yeah, and I'm just gonna give it the best try, because no matter what, everything that we try, it doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna work for everybody. And a lot of times some of these things is just theories, and you know, they work for some people. And yeah, this is just my take on this mat. And so far, so good. Until the next time, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.